Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to automate the other test cases that are there in the logout functionality. So, in the previous sessions, we completed the number one and number two and the register and login functionalities also. So now we will go with the number three test case of the logout functionality in this session as a continuation of the previous session. So let's see first of all whether we can automate this particular test case or not using Selenium Java. Verify the application session status after logging and closing the browser without logging out. Okay. So we need to open the application URL and we should get logged in. After that, once we get logged in, we are going to close the browser without logging out. And then we need to open the browser again and navigate to the application to see whether our session is maintained or not. But this particular test case, we have to do it manual way, guys. This cannot be automated using Selenium Java. Okay. You see, 100% automation is not possible. Okay, some test cases will be there in our application which cannot be automated at all. Okay, we have to make a note of these particular test cases, and we have to remaining all test cases will be automated and will be tested by Selenium Java. But there may be some set of test cases which cannot be automated, which we have to do it in a manual way. So this is one kind of test case which cannot be automated, and this need to be tested in a manual way. Okay. So without further delaying and all, we'll immediately move to the fourth one because we cannot automate third one with the help of Selenium Java. We have to do it in a manual way only. Okay. So now go with the fourth one. So verify logging out and browsing back. Okay. So we need to open the application URL. We need to log in. Okay. And we need to log out. Okay. We need to click on my account drop menu and we need to select logout option. Once you select the logout option, we need to click on the browser back button to see whether the user is getting logged in or not. User should not get logged in this case, okay, as per the expected result. Okay. After logging out, if you simply say browser back, that should not make the application login again. Okay. So instead, the user should be in logged out state only is something we have to verify as part of the fourth test case. So without any delay, we'll move on to this particular project, and here we'll start writing the automation code. Let me close all this stuff and open the logo.java here, and I'll go to this method that is public void verify logging out and browsing back. Like this, I'll create a method here, and here I'll convert this method into the test method at the rate test, and here I'll say priority is equal to 3, and here I'll write down login page is equal to landing page dot navigate to login page, and I need to log in, guys. Okay, here login page dot log into application. I need to provide valid user existing email and existing valid password, existing valid email and existing valid password. I need to, so that I'll be able to get logged in here, and put a semicolon here. Once that part is done, okay, this will give you me the object reference of the account page. I'll simply write account page here. Once I go to the account page, guys, what is the thing that I need to verify here? You see, once I get logged in like this, okay, for example, I'll go to this application, I'll navigate to the login page. After that, I'll enter the credentials and, you know, log into the application. I'm on this page. Now I need to click on the my account and select, and, and then I need to select the logout option. Okay. I need to log out simply. To log out, guys, I'll first get the driver from the account page. Okay. Which is, almost this line is same as the previous test. Okay. Driver is equal to account. Then I need to create an object for this header options. Okay. So here I'll say header options is equal to new header options and pass the driver here, put a semicolon here and simply write down header options dot. Okay. Click on my account drop menu, and then header options dot select, which option actually. I need to select logout option. Okay. I need to log out actually. So when I log out, I'll be taken to the account logout page. I'll be taken to the account logout page. I don't know whether I'll be using this object reference here or not, but I'm just storing there. Okay. Account logout page. So here what I have to do is I need to select logout option. I did that, and I'll be taken to the account logout page, and then I need to simply click on the browser back button. Okay. You see, once I do this and just go to this my account and select logout option, I'll be taken to the account logout page. And if I see here, it's already got logged out, but without doing anything, guys, without doing anything, I'll just say browser back option here. It feels like I got logged in, but I'm not really logged in. I go to, it looks like, okay, this is like a from cache, this page is coming, but it's not the real one, guys, okay? It's not the real one. Select one of the option like edit your account information, etc., and see whether this option is working fine or not, to see whether the user is really logged in or not, okay? Click on the browser back button and see user is really logged in or not. We have to verify. For that, I'll select this edit your account information. If that option doesn't come and if you are taken to the login page, means user session is not maintained here. Okay. Once you log out, once you log out, it's logged out only. Okay. You cannot perform the operations that logged in user can perform. So after you log in, okay, after you log in and then you log out. Okay, and here if you simply select browser back button will not get you logged in. It looks like we got logged in here, but it's not really logged in. Okay, so how to verify that? How to verify that? Or is there any simplest way, like, if I refresh the page or something? You see, if I refresh the page, this thing should come. Okay, the login page should come. Let's say what we can do here is I'll just select the logout option and I just simply need to say browser back button. How to navigate to the browser back button? So let me get the driver. Okay, account page. Otherwise, I'll do one thing. I'll just call this method in the base. Okay, base, and I'll just have a method, guys. That is a navigate back kind of method will be there somewhere here. Navigate back method is there. Copy this method and call that method, and it will return you the driver automatically. And here I'll write down. Here I need to pass the driver. To pass the driver, write account logout page dot. Okay, so simple way is that control Z. Simple thing is that here I have to say account logout page dot get driver. I'll say okay, put a semicolon here, and this navigate back will return you the driver again. Driver is equal to okay, navigate back. Once you navigate back, what is the next thing that I need to do is I want to refresh the page. Okay, here I want to refresh the page. To refresh the page, is there any method I created already? Page refresh for that, did I create any method already or I have to create it? Okay, so here I'll create a method in the base class saying public void refresh page after browser back, and here I'll pass a driver here, web driver driver, okay, and here I'll simply say driver dot navigate dot refresh here. Okay, that's it. We just need to refresh the page to see what is happening. I just need to refresh the page to see what is happening here. Save this, go to the logout and simply write down uh, refresh page, and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here. I don't know whether what is the method I created, a refresh page only, right? And to the refresh page, I need to pass the driver here, refresh page, refresh. Okay, I gave a spelling mistake here. It is page I have written, page it is actually. Okay, save all and come back here and you see it's working fine. This will refresh the page and, this will refresh the page, guys. Okay, once I refresh the page, I would like to once I refresh the page, I want to get the driver back. So I'll simply say return driver here and I'll here provide web driver here. Save this and here once I do that, I'll get the driver back here. And once I get the driver back here, what is the next thing that I want to do is so here once I refresh the page, once I navigate back and refresh the page, whether I'm getting navigated to the login page or not, I need to check. I'll simply say login page is equal to new login page. Like this, I need to create an object and pass the driver there and import this login page and see here write an assert statement saying that assert true, and here I simply write down login page dot did we navigate to the login page. Okay, if you are navigated to the login page means the user is not logged in. Okay, that proves that the user has not been logged in. Okay, these are the steps we have to write, guys. Save this and run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, I'm running the script individually to see whether it is working fine or not. The script will be a bit fast, that's okay. Login, refresh, and login page, and the test is getting passed. Okay, it's working fine. So we are done with the fourth test case, guys. Let's move on to the fifth one without any delay. Verify logout option is not displayed under the verify logout option is not displayed under the my account menu before logging in. Okay, before you see once you open the application URL here and before you actually log in here, logout option should not be there is something we have to verify. So we need to open the application URL and click on my account drop menu. We need to simply open the application URL and click on my account, and here we should not see the logout option. Okay, that's what we need to verify. Logout option should not be displayed under my account drop menu is something we have to verify, guys. Okay, how to verify that? how to verify that logout option is not displayed on this page. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, so for that, I'll go to the logout.java, and here I'll create a method that is public void verified. There is no logout option after no logout option before login. Okay, like this, I'll create a method, guys, and here I'll write down @test, and here I'll provide @test and say provide priority is equal to 4. I'll say okay, priority is equal to 4, and simply say login page is equal to landing page. Sorry, I here don't have to do anything. I don't have to navigate to something or something. Okay, I should not get logged in basically. So here I'll say landing page dot click on my account. Okay, from the landing page only I'm clicking on the my account. Okay, once I click on from the landing page, if I click on the my account, I'll get these options. In that, I need to see whether this my account has my account doesn't have the logout option. We need to see over the mouse and this, it's not returning anything. So here I'll simply say landing page dot get driver. I will say, so this will get me the driver of the page. Once I get this driver here, I need to verify. Okay, I need to write okay. Sorry, here I'll do one thing, guys. Instead of saying landing page and all, I'll do one thing. That is, I'll simply I'll write down landing page dot get driver. I'll say this is the first line I'll write. Otherwise, and here after I get the driver option, here I'll say I'll create an object for the page, one of the page class, that is header options. Okay, header options. Header options page class is called new header options, and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here. Okay, once I do that, then next thing here is once I do that, the next thing here is header options dot click on my account drop menu, and then I have to write down header options dot select uh, header option. Here I need to write down, I need to verify whether that logout option is not available here. So if I go to the header options here, where is the header options, and here I'll see the methods related to the logout option is there. Here is login option available. Okay, select logout option, select login option. What are the options we have? I'm checking here one by one. Select logout option. Okay, it's already there. Select login option. Select logout option. It's already there. Logout option dot click, return new account logout. Okay, different things are there here. Okay, select logo option. This is not logout option, logo option. That's okay. My bad. Fine. I'll create a method here for public void is logout option available. Okay, is logout option available. And here I am going to write down logout option dot is displayed. Okay, so there is a possibility that this particular thing may give you a no such element exception because it may not be available. Write down try catch block here, try, and here say, here write down try block, surround this with a try block here, and write down catch block, and here no such element exception may come if the option is not there, exception E, and here write down. So here I'll do one thing, I'll just simply say boolean B is equal to false, I'll say. And if the logout option is really displayed, then B is equal to L, right? So B will become true here. Okay. If it is really available, it will convert it. It will become true here. Otherwise, here I'll write B is equal to. If it's not there, B is false. Over the mouse. Import this from no such element exception from Selenium library. And here I have to say return B. Okay. So this will make the things more better and will avoid the no such element exception also here. Okay. Save this. Okay. Save this, guys, and just go back here and write down assert dot assert false. I'm asserting for false. The logout option should not be available, so I'm not expecting it to be true. I'm expecting it to be false. If it is true, it will fail the test. If it is it's the returning false, then it will pass the test. Okay. So header options dot header options dot is logout option available. If this returns true, true means the test will fail. If this returns false means the test will pass. This is how simple we can write the script, guys. Simply click on the run option and see. Should not get no such element exception. That's the reason we have written try catch block there. Okay. You see, the test got passed. Okay, since the logout option is not there, the test got passed. Okay, fine, guys. We have successfully automated the fourth test too. Okay, so fourth, this is which one actually? Okay, so fifth one, yeah, this is fifth one because third one we have not automated. So fifth became four actually. Then let's see if we can automate the another one. Verify logout option is not displayed on the right column before logging. It is also very simple one, guys. It's also very simple one. Before you log in, okay? Before you log in, guys, before you log in here, and if you, verify logout option is not displayed on right column option. Before open the application, click on My Account drop menu and select Register option. Select some Register option or whatever the option, and see that here logout option should not be there here anywhere. Okay, if you go to this login page or any of the page you go, guys, and see that logout option should not be there anywhere. Okay, before you log in, guys, you should not see the logout option. Okay, select one of the option like select register option or login option, whatever it is. Logout option should not be displayed in the right column is something. So let's take the thing, and here let's write the code, guys. That is a public void verify. Uh, there is no right column logout option before logging in. Before logging in, there should not be any before login, or before login also is fine. Okay, before login, you should not see the right column logout option. Here I'll write at the rate test annotation and say priority is equal to 5. And here I'll write down before logging in. Okay, I need to see that. So what I'll do is I'll get the driver first. Landing page. Okay, landing. Yeah, landing page dot get driver, and then give the driver here. And then I want to navigate to the I want to, from the landing page, otherwise, let's not write that. I want to navigate to the register page. To navigate to the register page, guys, I'll be writing like this landing page dot click on my account. And then from there, I have to say landing page dot select register option. And this will return you the object reference of the register page. Okay, register page. These two lines I have to write. Is there any way I can reduce these two lines into one line? Yes, there is a way, guys. The way here is both the things are from landing page. Go to the landing page here. Where is the landing page? Here is the landing page. In the landing page, what you do here is so here create a method that is public void navigate to landing, navigate to landing page. Like this, you write down navigate to landing page, and here write down click on my account. It will from the landing page you click on my account option, and then we need to select the register option. Okay, then just say select register option, then simply say select register option, and the return type of the register option is register page. Here simply say return here, and then say register page. Okay, register page, you like write like this, and go to the logout.java, and here write down, instead of writing these two lines, simply write down landing page dot navigate to. Okay, landing page dot what is the problem here? Sorry, navigate to register page you have to write, guys. Sorry. Okay, the method name is wrong there. Okay, navigate to register page. So here from the landing page you are navigating to register page. Navigate to register page. That's correct. It's coming now. Once you do that, you'll get the object reference of the register page here. There is a register page is equal to, like this you have to write, register page is equal to, now write down. Once you go to the landing page dot navigate to register page, landing page dot navigate to register page. Once you navigate to the register page here, what I need to do is in the right column options, I need to see whether I have this logout option or not. For that to happen, guys, I'll simply say register page dot get driver. I'll say first of all, and get the driver first. Okay, once I get this driver right, the next part that I will do here is once I get the driver, the next thing that I will do here is, register page dot get driver. The next thing that I will do here is, I'll pass this driver to the right column options. Okay, right column options. Already I created this page class like right column option somewhere here. Yeah, here it is. Right column options is equal to new right column options, and pass the driver here. Put a semicolon, and then yeah. What is the next thing that I have to do? Then I need to see whether in the right column options the logout option is available or not. Okay. Okay. The right column options is a logout option is available or not. So for that, right column options dot if I say dot is logout option available kind of method is not there. So I'll go to the right column options page and here create a method that is here I'll create a method like public void is logout right column option available. Okay, I write like this and how to check this? To check this, guys, logout option. This is right column logout option actually. Right, you see the group item item dot is displayed. I'll write, but there is a possibility of getting no such element exception if it is not available. So put try catch block here. Okay, put try catch block catch exception e or here give no such element exception precisely no such element exception otherwise because there is a possibility of no such element exception here. So I'll do one thing. I'll just write the code in a smart way. That is, here I'll write boolean b, and here b is equal to false. Initially b is equal to false will be there. If this is really displayed, then b is equal to it will become true. Otherwise, if it goes to the catch block because of no such element exception, b will be false. And here I'll simply say return b. That's it. And the return type is boolean. Okay, return type is boolean. Save this. Come back here and simply write down here I'll simply write down assert false. Okay, the option should not be there. So assert false, and here I'll write down write column options object reference dot is logout right column option available. Okay, if it is not available, then the test will pass. If it is available, it will return true and the test will fail. Okay, and before running the script, guys, I'll do one modification here. You see, I'm always writing like this. Okay, driver is equal to register page dot get driver. Instead of storing here, what I can do is I'll just directly pass here register page dot get driver. I'll directly pass here. This will reduce me one line. Not only here, guys, there are many places that we have done that. Okay, here driver is equal to landing page dot get driver. Why to do this? Okay, directly cut this and paste it here. It will reduce one line for us already. Okay, then go to the previous one and see most of the cases I was writing like this only. Refresh page. Okay, driver refresh page and this will get the driver here. So that's okay. Mm, cannot reduce everywhere. I'll try to reduce wherever you see. Whenever I'm saying account.get driver, right? I'll do it first. Okay, here I can say like this, and this one is not required anymore. Okay, so here also we can do, but it will be very difficult here, guys. Okay, so what I can do here is instead of writing like this, navigate back dot refresh. I can say navigate dot. Okay, this object reference, and we are passing that here. Okay, that's okay. This is okay, guys. This is okay. This is at least okay. We have reduced wherever it is really required, we'll reduce, otherwise we'll not reduce. So here you see driver is called account page dot driver. Here, why to write this extra statement? Cut this and paste it here. This will be okay. Account page dot get driver is fine. Okay. Account page dot get driver is fine. Here, any other place, account logout page dot get driver. Here also. Cut this and paste this here and return this. Okay, this is another way to solve this problem. Header options dot get driver. You see some lines of the code are getting reduced here because of this kind of technique we are following. Okay, I think this part is also done, and then I'll go here and see wherever I'm getting the driver here using this. I'll just write down here so that that extra line is not required anymore. And here account logout page dot get driver. I'll pass it here. Okay, sorry, I'll pass it here, guys. Okay, I'll pass that here and remove this line. Then header options dot get driver, paste that here, header options dot get driver, and paste that here. Okay, done this. Okay, so I think we are done so far. Is there any other way I have get the driver and I can reduce the lines? Okay, we can see that also. That is I'll just close all this stuff. Okay, so first I'll run the scripts. Okay, so since I modified the scripts, I'll let me run this all these tests one by one. Okay, there are 5 tests we should run one by one, and everything should pass. Okay, we have implemented something to reduce the lines of the code in this particular session. Okay, you see, this kind of ideas will keep kicking in. Okay, and when the ideas come, we will make the project evolve and we'll write the code in a better way in less number of lines and all those stuff. Okay, so in every session, we'll learn something new, guys. Okay, this kind of stuff we can learn something new in every session. All the 5 tests should work and should run, and everything should pass here. In this case, everything should get passed here. Are the scripts still running? Yes, they are running. Let's wait. We'll make the same change in other login and other test too. We have to wait for that to happen. Okay, all the tests got passed, so our technique is working fine, guys. Okay, I'll do the same changes in login.java also, guys, because I didn't do that earlier. Uh, Anywhere I'm getting the driver, I'll do that. Anywhere I'm getting the driver here, whenever I need some driver in between, I have written the statement. You see, navigate. This is okay. This is okay. You can put it there. Okay. Here, no changes actually. Am I using get driver anywhere? Let me see. Nowhere so far. Yeah, here you see login page dot get driver is there. I'll cut this and paste it here. Okay, there's one place I found it. Control Z. What was that method, guys? Sorry, I lost it actually. Okay. This one is 17th test. Cut this and paste it here. Done. Again here also. Done. Here it is. A lot of instances we are using such kind of process, so we have to at least we are reducing one line, guys. Okay, that's reducing good number of lines here because of this process. So done. Here also I'll remove. Here also. Here also. Here also. Let me change wherever it is required. Let me change wherever it is required. Here again, there is another way, another place we have to reduce the lines. Here again, you see multiple places we are doing that in the same test. Any other places, anywhere we are checking. I think we are good to go. We have successfully removed, reduce the lines here. Okay, circular bracket was missing. Now go to the register.java to see whether the same thing is there anywhere. Okay, are you getting the driver anywhere? Let's see. Yeah, here you see. Here it's not there. Till here it is not there, but here it is there. No, 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 no. Just cross-checking anywhere we have retrieved the driver. I'll go to that place and remove that and reduce the lines. Okay. I'm just checking line by line to see anywhere we have retrieved the driver. So that statements I'll reduce. Okay. Once we get an idea, we have to implement across the project, guys. Okay. So don't delay it. We'll forget it. Better to implement that process immediately and reduce the lines of the code. Okay. Immediately. Okay. Yeah. Here it is there. Here also. Here again. I think a lot of places we have here. Then here. Then here. Any other places we have here? Let's see. Yeah. Here. Then here. Then here. Here. Then here. Remove this. Here again. Then here again. Then here again. Here again. Here again. Here. Here again. Here. Then here. Then here. Then here. Then here. Then here. Then here, a lot of places we have. I think we are coming to the end. Let's see. Done. Almost there. Okay. I think this part we are done. One more test is there. I thought it's completed, but let's see. Anywhere I'm using get driver, I'll remove and reduce the line. Save all. I think we are good to go. We successfully removed the. We have reduced the lines, guys, and everything is working fine. So we have done good work in this session, as I can say. Okay, we have done good work in this particular session. We have, not only automated some tests, but also we have reduced the number of lines of code in the project as part of some best practice we have implemented there, and we got the idea and we implemented. So in the next session, we are going to start automating the seventh test case. Okay, fine. So that's all for this session, guys. Till now, I automated six test case under the logout functionality. Now seventh test case, I'm going to do that in the next session. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.